Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Hillcrest is a residential neighborhood located in the northwest part of Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Known for its elevated position, the area offers views over parts of the city and surrounding prairie. Development in Hillcrest took place mainly in the mid to late 20th century, making it a well-established neighborhood with mature streets and a stable residential feel. The population of Hillcrest is made up of a mix of families, longtime residents, and retirees. Homes in the area are primarily single-family houses, many built during periods of steady growth in Moose Jaw during the 1960s and 1970s. Hillcrest is known for its access to green space and recreational areas. Nearby parks and walking paths provide residents with opportunities for outdoor activity, while schools and community facilities are located within a short distance. This accessibility has made the neighborhood a practical choice for families looking for a balance between quiet, living, and convenience. The neighborhood is also well connected to the rest of Moose Jaw through major roads, allowing residents to easily reach shopping areas, healthcare services, and employment centers. Its location offers a sense of separation from the busier parts of the city while still remaining close to essential amenities. While Hillcrest does not have the deep historical roots of Moose Jaw's earliest districts, it represents an important phase in the city's expansion. As Moose Jaw grew beyond its original core, neighborhoods like Hillcrest were developed to accommodate a growing population and changing housing needs. Moose Jaw has a population of approximately 33,000 people. It is one of Saskatchewan's most historically significant urban centers, located along the Moose Jaw River in the south-central part of the province. The city's name is believed to come from a Cree word describing the shape of the river, although its exact origin remains a subject of debate. The city's development began in the late 1800s with the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway. Moose Jaw quickly became an important transportation and distribution hub, linking agricultural producers to markets across Canada. Its strategic location helped it grow into a center for trade, commerce, and industry in the early 20th century. Moose Jaw is also known for its unique underground tunnel system, which dates back to the early 1900s. These tunnels were used for various purposes, including storage and, according to local accounts, activities connected to Prohibition-era bootlegging. Today, they are a well-known historical attraction that reflects a lesser-known side of the city's past. Another key part of Moose Jaw's identity is its connection to the military. The nearby Canadian Forces Base Moose Jaw has been an important training center since the mid-20th century. Established in 1941 as part of the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, the base continues to play a major role in the local economy and community life. Today, Moose Jaw blends its historical roots with modern development. Its downtown features heritage buildings and cultural sites, while newer areas like Crescent View reflect ongoing growth. The city remains a regional hub for services, education, and tourism, offering a mix of history, community, and prairie landscape that defines much of southern Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!